Using keywords to search for articles. Whether you're searching for articles in Library Quick Search or a scholarly database, using the right keywords is one of the most important steps. Keywords are search terms that represent the main topics of your research project. Instead of typing your entire research question into the search bar, focus on the 2 or 3 main concepts that describe your topic. It's important that you do not search using full sentences in a database search, as this can produce results that are not related to your topic. Let's say you're starting with your research question. Your first step is to identify the nouns. These nouns usually become your keywords. For example, if your research question is, what effect does social media have on adolescents? The nouns are social media and adolescence. Next, to help broaden your search, think of synonyms for each of the keywords that you identified. For example, social media could also be social networking or even Instagram, and adolescence could also be teenagers or youth. Identifying your main concepts and thinking of related terms or synonyms will help you create more effective searches and find more relevant scholarly articles for your research project.